In this problem we have two bodies of masses m1 and m2. m2 is greater than m1. They are connected by a light inextensible string which passes through a smooth pulley which is fixed. Now we need to find what is the instantaneous power delivered by an external agent to pull m1 with first constant speed and second constant acceleration a at any instant t. So let us first find the forces on it. m2g is acting downward, let t be the tension. m1g is acting downward and let t be the tension. In initial situation it is asked that the bodies are being pulled with constant speed. So when speed is constant, forces are balanced. In this particular situation we can write F external plus m1g is equal to T, and from the second portion we have T is equal to m2 into g. So if we put it here, F external is equal to m2 minus m1 into g. So power delivered is equal to F dot V, that is known as force and velocity, both are in same direction. So we can write m2 minus m1g into V. This is the answer of the first part, that the power delivered is m2 minus m1gv. Now second part says that it is being pulled with constant acceleration a at any instant t. Now instead of velocity, in second part we have it is being pulled with constant acceleration a. Now in this situation we can write F external plus m1g minus t is equal to m1a, and for the other one we can write T minus m2g is equal to m2a. So here from we can write, adding these two equations, we can write F external is equal to m1 a minus g plus m2 a plus g, or F external is equal to m2g plus a minus m1 g minus a. As it is being pulled with constant acceleration a, so speed of the blocks after time t is equal to at, and power delivered in second case is equal to F external into V, that is equal to m2g plus a minus m1 g minus a into at. This is the power delivered in the second situation.